Okay, so this is how the do while loop works. And so basically here in this code, we are incrementing I. And so we come to this void loop and we do, and then inside this do loop, we're going to delay 100 milliseconds. So it's not counting too fast. And then we increment I. And then we go ahead and we print I on the serial monitor. And so then after all this, then we check if while I is less than 10. So if this is true, then we're going to go back up to the while do loop and do it again. Okay, and so after that, if this is false, then we'll come out and we're not going to go through this do loop again. We'll come down and continue on our code, and then we'll print out at the end of loop. So this will tell us that we're at the end, and we'll come back up here and then we'll go into this do loop again and print I out again, and it will increment I and also print it out on this serial monitor. It will still come into this do loop because it does the action before it actually checks if this is true. So basically what this is going to give us is it's going to count all the way to up to 10, and after it counts to 10, then it's going to put at the end of loop, and it's going to continue doing that every single time because we're only going to come in here once every single time we loop the code because this statement is false. But the first time it'll go through this code 10 times. So basically this is how it works right here. We have 1, 2, 3, and it counts all the way up to 10, and then after it's greater than 10, then every single time it increments, we will say at the end of loop.